straight or what?
The owl jump scare.
Hold on now. I mean, she's disappearing. She's made a disappearing act. Hello? Now, this is what I call clean girl makeup. Yeah. Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Today, we're going to be just focusing on the base, baby. If you don't know about the Skin Silk Foundation from Makeup Revolution, why? Today, we're going to be unboxing this gorgeous package I got from Makeup Revolution, and we're going to be trying all the products that is here. Okay, let's get into the video. Gorgeous package is the new extended range of the foundations plus a couple other feel goodies. Obviously it came with my name. So I have the Skin Silk foundations here. I have the shade 4.9, which is the extended version, because I had the 15, which only ended at the F15, but now we have 16 as well. We have 40 inclusive foundation shades, which is brilliant. So this is not ordinary foundation, it's literally a serum foundation. So we're gonna read the notes about it. So it's very meaty. Get ready to eat because it's meaty. So what I love about this foundation is because the serum foundation, it's got a lot. It's got collagen, it's got peptides. It will give your skin that beautiful coverage, and yet it's taking care of your skin. It's gonna hydrate, it's gonna boost and brighten. That's great in a foundation, which means you could wear it every day, because not only are you getting the beautiful coverage, and also you're getting some skincare. But anyway, let's do a couple of swatches. So we've got cool, neutral and warm shades. It is so pretty. Look at it. Hey there, so pretty. That's number 14 and C, which means it's cool, neutral, cool. And this is the packaging it comes in. We've got a little cute pump and stuff. I'm gonna swatch it on my face so we can proper tell together which one's gonna be mine. I usually use 15, but it's not gotten so hot yet, so let's see. So that's F149C. So it's more like a kind of yellow. We're gonna go in with the number F15, which was my usual shade. This is F15. Oh, I thought it would be darker, but it looks like the F15 is darker. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I definitely would like to blend them out just to see. Like, obviously I don't think I am this color, but hold on, let me just blend it here. I think it could work, but it's more yellow, so I don't think that would be my kind of shade. I'm actually a bit shocked because I think maybe I might be F16, which is that one, but I do feel like it is a little orange. But that is blending in pretty nicely. I thought it would be darker, but it's not darker. So let me just remove that. So that's F16. And I think I might be F16. Hold on. So this one is the usual one that I use, which is F15. And it's actually darker than the F16. I'm kind of confused. But it still blends in pretty well. But you know, foundation does oxidize. So now I'm like, what am I? You know, so let's just wipe that off. So I think I'm gonna use F16. These are the shades. What I can say, it is for all skin type. But if you have oily skin, I will do a lot of skin prep just to make sure that you don't look like a grease ball. At the end of the day, this is a luminous foundation, which means it's illuminating. That's right up my alley because I do like that kind of glowy kind of look. So I'm going to try the F16 because I genuinely feel that it's more my shade. So let's pop it on. It is slightly like, this one is very warm, and I do love my warm foundations. And I should have done one side for you guys to see, but look at that. Look at her. Stunning. So there's not like a humongous difference in the F50 and F16. I definitely feel like it's more the tone. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I had to put my head back so you guys can really see the face. I didn't want any hair getting in my way. I wanted you guys to really see it. And for me, it's also a first impression because it's my first time trying it, and I absolutely love it. So now moving on to the concealer. This concealer I'm so excited to share with you. I've been using it every day because it's not like that full coverage concealer. This is a clean girl makeup look. So this is the Skin Silk Under Eye Brightening Concealer. It comes in 6 shades. So this concealer is a sheer weightless, buildable coverage, hyaluronic acid, caffeine squalene. Oh my god, if you know these products, this is why I say do your research and find out what are you putting on your skin and what does it do. Squalene to hydrate and brighten smooth under eye, suitable for sensitive skin. So I got the shade Dark Orange, which is the one that I had in my kit because I use it every day. I wanted to do like a simple cute makeup every day, which is clean girl, which is so that makeup that just makes me looks refreshed, you know, because the wand is the most interesting one. It literally feels like skincare, makeup and skincare infused together. This is just gonna give you a refreshed look. If you got tired under eye, it's gonna get rid of that. And you also got that wand that's got a metal plate. It's not your usual little wand that's got like bristles and stuff. It's gonna just do that. So this is the shade, which is my shade Dark Orange. What it's gonna do is just lift my eyes without making them tired. Literally just going under your eye, and it's so cooling. And sometimes you just need that. And you know that under your eye is the most sensitive place. My problem is I got hollow eyes. I don't have so much dark circles, but I have hollow eyes, and I usually like to target that. So with this, I actually use my hands, because if you're going with a brush, because it's so light and sheer, it's just gonna sink in the skin. So I'm just gonna do that with my hands. I'm gonna just let that marinate just a little bit, because I feel like when it comes to like foundation or concealer, you have to leave it marinate a little bit. And I'm still gonna use my fingers. Okay, now we can blend that in. My skin actually looks even. I genuinely feel like this actually blends better with the hands. So there you go. You got such a cute, gorgeous, even skin tone, and it just looks like you. So now let's go in the blush and the bronzer. Before we get into the bronzer, I just want you to have a look at my skin. It looks healthy, it looks radiant, right? I have 3 blushes, and obviously the blushes, they're blush sticks, and I like cream blushes more, like a swirl of color. That is a berry flush. I'm shocked because it looks more pink than berry. Mixture of pink and purple. Sundown Spice, which is like a coral shade, like a swirl of color. And peach. I'm a bit like, what is going on? I hope this is gonna look good on my skin. Color, and this one is called Sun-Kissed Apricot. How gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wow. I'm just like, they are swatching a bit lighter than they look, so I'm hoping they do look good on my skin. Okay. Then we have the bronzer, which is Coca. I like that bronzing color. Actually, it's more darker. It's warm, but it's also good for contouring, which is what we're going to do. So I usually like to start off with bronzer before going with blushes. So let's just bronze up and get some of that warmth back and sculpt my face. Blend that bronzer in. That's a gorgeous bronzing color. Can you see that? It's not too much. I think the point of the Skin Silk is just sheer coverage. It's not too much, it's not too crazy. So this is for my clean girls out there, or for the girls who are looking for just a simple routine without doing the full glam. But if you like the full glam, you know, each to their own. I love soft glam, but lately every day I've been trying to make an effort with putting my makeup, not for anybody but just for me. That fresh skin. Oh, there is 6 bronze shades. So for my dark skin girlies, we got 2 shades to work with. You know, they are quite versatile with their shades, but I don't know if deep makeup will be deeper enough for other deeper tone skins. So I'm scared. Do I go in straight or what? Hold on now. I mean, she's disappearing. She's made a disappearing act. Oh, she's ashy on me. Hello? Oh. Okay, which one was this? Sun-kissed apricot, and that's orange. Wait, hold on. On this side, let's try the sundown spice. Okay, I think that could show up on my skin. It's coming out more pink. It's not so berry, but it's like more of a pink color. Okay. Okay, she's there. She's definitely there. When it comes to these, definitely the berry flush worked better for me with the sundown spice, but the apricot was ashy on my skin. So definitely this is for more lighter skin tones. So I can't wear that one, but they're definitely gorgeous. Skin peptide, collagen, hyaluronic acid is just a skincare infused makeup, which is spectacular. This is my makeup using all the products, and I'm just gonna finish up and we'll talk about it. I have finished up the look. Bit of setting powder, and I used a translucent powder, but this one is from Maybelline because I didn't want to add any color, and I just ended up putting a bit of bronzer, the Mega Bronze from Makeup Revolution, and added back that blush. And use this blush even on top of like powdered skin to seal it together. I actually do not need to use a setting spray for this. I actually just need to go in with a fixing spray to just lock everything in. I went in with the Espresso Cool Brown from Makeup Revolution, and I used the Sundown Spice blush as a lip color. So I like that you can also go with it on your lips. You know, makeup, it needs to be something you use on a lot of things. You could use this on your lids if you want to. So I feel like I like that. My perfect match, F15 and F16 are my perfect matches because they are a little bit different just in undertones, but they're definitely like a bit similar. And I don't really have anything bad to say about these new products except for the Sun-kissed apricot. It just looked ashy on my skin because it is a bit ashy. That's how it was looking on my skin tone. But for someone who's more lighter than me, it's gonna look absolutely brilliant. What did you think about the review and also the trying out of these new products? Definitely get them. I'm gonna leave the link below, you guys, because there's definitely a sale going on right now as well. You could get these products for like a much more cheaper price. And Makeup Revolution, what I love about y'all guys is you make great quality products on a very affordable rate. Not only now, that was already a bonus, but this is all skincare infused makeup. So you're getting your skincare plus also a gorgeous makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you thought about this video. But you guys take care. Bye.